Hi everyone, welcome back. In my last video, we talked about exact framework for scanning and shortlisting high potential swing trading stocks. Today, I want to show you real-time case study on exact system in action. Look at Paisalo Digital. Today, it smashed through 20% upper circuit, but I didn't buy at the breakout. You can see my entry is 59.32. Then 59.32. I can change it. No, 59.32. It's around somewhere here. Yeah, it's around here. 59.32. In this video, I'm going to, but I didn't run. So I actually anticipated this entire move and entered early at 59.32. I'll put the screenshot so that I'll confirm that I'm in this trade at 59.32. And I'm going to break down the exact fundamental and technical reason why I took this trade before this move happened. Okay, so the first is the fundamental filters, the CANSLIM strategy. So CANSLIM strategy, which has been discussed in last video. Okay, C is uh, why first of all why I'm into this stock, because I shortlisted this stock. Okay, so I shortlisted Paisalo before, and I was keeping a watch on this. Okay, so how I checked it. So it has been explained in my last video. Quarterly, current quarterly earning. I look for companies which are which companies their current quarterly EPS is so significantly up significantly. So ideally minimum 25 to 50%. Okay. Paisalo has an. I'll put a screenshot here explaining the fundamentals and the growth fundamental graph. I'll show you the graph why it is to cancel them. Okay, so annual earning increase. The great stock doesn't have one good quarter. It should have at least 3 years of great annual in earning increasing. Supply demand is also there, so increase in there should be supply, not it should be enough trend. We'll say there should be enough trend. Large institution, I analyze the market to ensure that large institutional players are accumulating the stock, shrinking the available floating supply. Okay, so the technical entry, we'll go to the technical entry. Uh, Once the fundamentals told me what to buy, the chart told me when to 59.32. Okay, so once the fundamental told me like what to buy, the chart told me when to buy. Many retailers or retail trader wait until the stock will go for this or 15% jump in. But the key is high risk to reward ratio. You can see my risk is very low. 2.3, 2.34347, and my I've already achieved 8.22% risk, around 8% risk reward, 1:8. So the game is risk to reward. I'll explain it in future video. Mm, Many retail will wait until the stock is already at 15%, but the key, no low risk entry is finding the setup during tight consolidation. You can see there is tight consolidation with low volumes. Now a good bar. It is it's always if there is low accumulation. See, you can see if it is low, and if there is high volume, stock will tend to move up. 2021 EMA, you can see this. These are my 9, 20, 50, 100, 200. These are all mine. So how I entered here, the stock pulled right back to its key short term during moving averages. Okay, right on the moving average formed a clean doji. You can see this making doji here. Okay, this doji. I'll just move this, this. Okay, the clean doji. I entered somewhere here. I had a, and my stop loss. Where's my stop loss were? I entered here and I create a short loss. Maybe if you whenever you enter at 20 EMA, make sure that you have a stop loss below the 50 EMA or 21 EMA. If it's a 9, below 21 EMA. So I entered the stock here. Okay, right on the moving average, it formed a clean doji. So I entered here. Why doji? Doji tell us that the selling pressure has completely dried up. Selling pressure has completely dried up and the reversal is imminent. Buying right at the EMO support at 15 gave me incredibly tight and well-defined stop loss. So fast forward to today, and this thesis played out flawlessly, clearing overhead resistance. The stock staged a massive technical breakout, mm, cleanly clearing the 52 week high. Explosive volume expansion. The breakout, I already told, the breakout has backed by massive surge of volume. So the lesson we learned here is with a mix of explosive canceling fundamental with discipline low cheat entries on key moving averages like 21, you position yourself to catch massive institutional move early. Also, there was a news that the promoters the promoters are depledging the stocks. Okay, so there is no depledging the stocks, so the promoters are buying back. So that is a catalyst. The primary catalyst driving Paisalo Digital right now is a significant increase of promoter shareholding. Mm, it is insider accumulation. I can say the stake has been increased during April to June quarter. This quarter, um, the promoter most has increased from 4.997%. The promoters have increased. Okay, and the total ownership has increased. So this pushes the total holding from total ownership. It was like earlier it was 46.7. Now it is 41.7. From sorry, it was 41.7 earlier. Now it is 46.7. So it has increased around 4.97 is 997% increase. So it is in one of event. Promoter holding has been steadily climbing from it has during financial year 19 it was around 26. Now last for 25 for financial 25 it was 37 and now approaching 47. So 3 years from like 5 years it is steadily climbing. The promoter holdings are climbing, and this is the result of that high volume and an upper circuit. So thank you for watching. uh, I'll surely make video of another one of my short list and trades more. uh, if you like the video, please support the channel. Signing off. Thank you so much.